Hey guys, Daryl here at DJ's Workshop. I just want to share something that I did to the van, a nice little improvement, and I want to share it with you just in case something you might want to do. So hang tight for a second, I'll show you what I did. Alright, so one of the things about these campers is when you have the bed out, this compartment over here you can't get to because that door will not open because the bed's in the way. So we kind of figured out a way around that. So what I did is I installed one of these. So what I installed was a 500 by 600 millimeter tambour door, and we got this from England. It wasn't available here. So basically what I did was I took the door off, and this here now just rolls up like this. It allows you to have storage in there, but it allows you to have access to that storage, okay? And the way it mounts is it's pretty easy. So there's these two plastic pieces that have like a coil, one on either side, and you take the door and you slide it up in there. It rolls all up nicely, and then there's two rails that come down the sides that it guides it, and it comes up and down. So it's not that big a deal. It's just a matter of making sure you have the correct width and everything. I did have to put a spacer on one side just to take up a little bit of the gap, but it worked out great. And then we put this nice chrome trim on the sides and on the bottom, and I think that really finished it off. So now it's very easy to get in and out of when the bed is in the down position, and I think it looks really great. It really adds to the camper, gives it a little more of a modern update look to it. We also have, you know, the doors that we put on in this. I showed you in a previous video with our new refrigerator in there. Right. So a lot of good upgrades we're doing to the camper, and it's looking really awesome, and we're getting ready to go do some camping with it. Springtime's finally here. Just looking forward to some nice weather, and yeah, that's about it. All right guys, if you have any comments, leave them below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, a share, a like, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.